It is true, no, that the room lights up when Happy is here, no? And also Miss Chick Guerrero, would like to apologize to Miss Chick Guerrero. Thank you, sir. A pleasant afternoon to everyone. I would like first to welcome the Dean of the Faculty of Arts and Letters, Professor Melanie Corina, PhD, to deliver the welcome address.
Very Reverend Father Richard G. Ampleby, PhD, the Dominican Fathers, my fellow administrators, our distinguished guests, to our students, support staff, and guests. A pleasant afternoon to all. It is truly an honor and privilege to be part of this activity that will serve as an application of the theories that students learn in the classroom. Today,